Hello, viewers and citizens and future citizens of Algonrich. In this video, we're going to be talking about the roadmap of Algonrich, and we're going to go to the main page and go over it in the details of it. So, as you can see, once you go into algonrich.com, you're going to see the main page, and all you have to do is go down to the middle of the page, and you should be able to see the roadmap. So here we have the Algorithm's timeline, and in first or quarter one of 2028, we have pancake swap listing of the Algo token, but it's already done. It's already completed. Then we have quarter two 2028. We got the legal registration and compliance expansion and launch of Web3 social media platform. So this is going to be us trying to work with regulators and the current or future regulation of crypto to make sure everything is within the legal realm for our project, and the launch of Web3 social media platform, something similar to maybe Instagram, but it's going to be more based on blockchain and a little decentralized. Quarter three 2028 is going to be a bond-like mechanism for pool liquidity, and this is just a concept we're going to try to develop to add liquidity to the project. Then we're going to have quarter four of 2028, and that is going to be the strategic for centralized exchange listing, which means that we're going to try to expose our token to major exchanges, and a beta development of Web3 communication and streaming services, which is going to be something probably similar to YouTube in a way, where you go upload videos, but it's going to be blockchain based. And after that, we could go into what we will call the quarter one of 2029, and that will be a research for a asset-backed mechanism and server integration for distribution of computer power. So this quarter one is going to be something that we're going to adopt assets to the blockchain and like kind of like register it, and also invest in our servers, and they are going to help in all our development of project and services that we're going to be giving with our project. Um, then we will jump into quarter two of 2029, and that is a prototype release or reverse transaction smart contract. So that's more like a smart contract application where transactions can be reversed, but not inside the blockchain because that's impossible. But within a smart contract, we could help validate things before the transaction is recorded on the blockchain. And if we need to reverse anything, any transaction for whatever reason, we're able to or cancel. And we're going to integrate also, try to integrate into AI development. So that's going to be another focus of our project. Then we have quarter three of 2029, and that's going to be an expansion into more crypto and blockchain development like NFT, maybe DeFi, maybe create a wallet based on the project, and do maybe decentralized launching offerings and stuff like that. But that's that's maybe if we're able to do it according to regulations, we might get involved in those type of projects and development, and a research into insurance and gaming use cases. So we're going to see how we can adopt an insurance type of policy or offering, and maybe involve gaming platforms or create our own gaming department, and probably have the algo token be used in those scenarios and platforms. So that's something that we're trying to look into in a couple of years, and that will be interesting to do, to include our project in many things, because we're trying to create an ecosystem of technology, and that's going to include blockchain technology and token use. So our last quarter will be quarter four of 2029, and in that quarter, we're going to um, step into the end of 2029, and that will be the scaling and marketing campaign to increase awareness of the project and expansion of Web3 video and streaming platforms. So in that case, we will develop a YouTube type of platform to do also not only video uploading but also streaming. So that would culminate quarter four of 2029. Here we have our team, part of our team, and this is pretty much the roadmap of the page. So the idea in this roadmap is for subscribers and viewers to have an idea, a solid idea of what we're trying to develop and what we're trying to create with this project long term. And this is just the first phase of this project. Of course, the idea is to do more development beyond 2029, and it's all going to be based on the current events at that time and how many subscribers we acquire and involvement and development of the project. So the idea is to create a great ecosystem of different platforms and apps and different industries, as long as we make the market grow, the crypto market grow, and also stay within the um, line of legality with the U.S. Government regulations regarding crypto and finances. So, like I said, this is not financial advice. This is not an investment vehicle. If you need a financial advisor, please contact a professional. This is just for entertainment purposes and to promote our project, which is involved is an utility token um, for giveaways and rewards. So I appreciate your attention. I hope you have a great day. I hope you subscribe to our social medias, and thank you very much for your attention.